So let me go through a couple of things here I like and dislike about the AIXZ Plasma Cutter. The plasma torch we'll start with. Not too bad how it swivels here. It's got a pretty nice standoff for the end of the tip here, and I think this is the IPT40 tips, which seem to be pretty high quality. Nozzle comes off like so. Got your things inside. Pretty easy to change, seems pretty durable. I like this wire on here, it's really nice feeling, you know, it's not like those ones that have a cover over them. The inside of the machine, right off the bat I noticed here that the power cord, I just took the top off of it just now. The power cord strain relief is not in properly. I'm going to fix that, I guess, even though I am going to be returning this one. Now the strain relief is properly installed. I thought it felt a little weird. I don't know why. I'm no electrician. I'm not too sure about the internals here. Feel free to have a look. I did notice that the, you can tell from there, the motherboard definitely doesn't have too much clearance. If you ever did this, you definitely might get a short from the motherboard there. I don't like these quick connect hoses inside, but you know, this is a cheap plasma cutter. I'm sure they all have something like that. I didn't like how it said it goes 45 amps, but in the specifications in the manual, it says it only goes to 35 amps. So to me, I thought something was a little strange. It has all this external air stuff you gotta install. Maybe some extra tips. They're all the same size though. And this is probably the worst things about it too, is a, what, 3-4 foot ground clamp, or work clamp as you'd call it. Way too short considering the lead on this torch is, let's measure, really long. It's like a 6 to 10 foot hose on the air hose for the gun. Also, it comes with an adapter, so it's really not even a 240 or 220 volt. It'd only be 120 because the main cord is that. You adapt it to that. So not the best for power wise. And obviously, when it comes to cutting, I'm not going to be doing any cutting. That takes too long and stuff. I'll just tell you what I found here. I got this nice thick piece of metal. It's about the thickest I have. 1/2 inch thick piece of metal there. And I tried to just cut the corner off, and I've since welded again, but it didn't cut the corner off successfully with the 1/2 inch. I was going pretty slow. I don't know, I could have gone a little slower and maybe gotten it to cut it, but it was really struggling. But it did cut. It cuts metal pretty good. No problems with it. I just think I found a little bit better one here that I'll be putting on a future video if you keep watching. So yeah, that's about it. I think not too bad. I like how it's green, but that doesn't count for much. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys.